Hey guys, for today's video, we're taking a look at the FOXWELL OB reader. Let's go ahead, open it up, show you guys what you get. Alright guys, it comes in this really nice hard protective case. And also comes with a manual as well. Alright, let's take a look what it comes inside here. You got your power supply, Type-C cable, USB, TF card reader as well. All right, this is it. Take a look at this. Look how slim and sleek that is. It comes with a TF card already, so you guys don't have to supply that. For this, you just plug this piece right into the top here. This is gonna get plugged into your OB port. Now, some features will require your vehicle to be running to use. So for the sake of that, and so this doesn't keep dinging, actually, you know what? Let's just do this, guys. Okay, it's doing it because our door's open. Now each vehicle is going to be different, but your OB port's probably going to be on your driver's side. For us, it's off to the left, right here. It's going to look like this. For a lot of vehicles, it could be in the center or off to the right side. But yeah, it's going to be somewhere around the driver's side feet. And then you just plug in your device. And then what you do is you take your keys and put it in the ignition, put it to the on position. Don't turn your vehicle on, just put it to the on position. Okay guys, so for this unit, you actually need to have your vehicle actually on. Some of them you just need to have your key turned to the on position, but this one you actually need it on. I tried doing it without the key, just turned to the on position, not actually running, and it wouldn't work for me. So for us, we had to do it with actually being on. So if you have any issues with this, just make sure your vehicle is actually turned on. So we got all these different settings. We can do I am readiness, which just goes through the whole system. And we could go under here. So there's just a couple things you guys can go and look through. Live data, onboard monitoring, component test, vehicle information, vehicle status, diagnose, yes. We can do the transmission control modular as well as the engine, protocols, auto scanning, and of course the history, auto VIN, and just much more than that. Overall, it's very nice, guys.